Tips para masaya at healthy ang relasyon. Nandito na naman ako para magbigay konting kaalaman patungkol sa buhay pag-ibig. Number 1, quality time together. Maglaan kayo ng oras para sa banding. Kahit simpleng date o kwentuhan lang, mag-explore ng bagong activities na pareho niyong ginusto. Pangalawa guys, support each other. Maging emotional support sa mga challenges at dreams ng partner mo. Celebrate each other wins kahit maliit na bagay. Pangatlo guys, keep the romance alive. Surprise each other with small gestures. Huwag kalimutan ang physical intimacy, holding hands, kisses, etc. Pang-apat guys, grow together, not apart. Encourage each other's personal growth, set goals together. At panglima guys, wag nating kalimutan, laugh and have fun. Huwag maging seryoso palagi, mag-enjoy kayo sa isa't isa. Keep the relation light and happy. Thank you for watching guys.